4, I mean, because we
Part
left.
4. Part 4.
They remove.
4.
They remove.
Yeah, 4.
I don't care.
TV.
Yeah. I want to remove my ear.
Eko. Few smart as Didi actually.
I mean,
At the field one.
okay, is there happy to wipe this off? I don't know. Wait a second.
At the field one.
Yep. I wanna do my hair, Richard. Then I have to comb it.
Do you see the smell now?
Oh no, I don't like the smell. Did you smell it? Oh,
Let's just
that smells like eggs.
Eggs. Kan die spray Kali spray dat dan boy.
Oh, smell ya. It smells like eggs.
Mungkin ayo ada spray.
Alsjeblieft.
Ik kan ook zo die waterspray van. Call you niet, to be nice, ne?
You see how long it looks now, you see?
Let's do mine, ne? Hoe ver is die water, ne? I was wondering, I was wondering, maybe.
Mas I put it on. The song. Can I make you my baby?
Kijk er nog. Het stinkt nog.
Be so beautiful. Even when say I'm ready. We're gonna also do part 5 because our night routine takes very long, you guys. Can't lie.
Kijk, het lijkt mooi zo.
Really? No, never. Oh, it's just a little. Yeah, it's just you. That's fine.
En stijf mee.
Huh?
En stijf mee.
Yeah, it's safe. But leave it.
Ik ga
Doe maar.
Zie je wel. Taki gamu juga no move.
No, die Kylie. Part 5 is coming now.
Kylie, hij is er nog voor Harry Potter. Ga net eens hoor die zo van. Kijk hoe gaan het. Hij is er nog. Kan je video van